Sharon Chomugasho abire narambure bikoze rwabeja hitendekere rya Ruhinda Institute mu Rumetoma kandi bari kuguza abatura
wagumana ugiteka like in 1 hour hatetaninga into black eba liquid erega mu form ya shukari eba liquid eteba black nko gukora soda ya Coca-Cola then the moment watch home umujeje shande yito ya very plain ekani eba black so nsumesa ngo bitukoresa byona tine kitukoresa mu istari cyo buhanga.
And in fact, leaving other things constant. If I had a skill here una mazira mu ishomero kuna benyimanya naho kugira nanga kuzombye kombe kanyinge y'amashanyarazi kabire ndahari ndanga benge mugiga konka because tukazombye kitabo this formal education. I'm not saying it is bad, but someone who is having a skill, very many of them are self-employed.
Nyo kuna bireba ebitwabire nturanzi hari za Kampala ebintu byari kudusopwe gukora n'ikintu cyamani
Shangirwe ngumbaro gwabisha barukwejombero mishomeji nguriyo ngweyongera.
TVET, technical education is the way to go. Abokuba niyo kurete mirimo abandi tokuza kurunda mirimo mubajerondera kandi n'imirimo nayo
umwe nsomesa motoka furikiza niko kuvuga ninga keyboard playing so njaciro furiciro open kujango we no mweje uyijaho runakora cost na cost izi kubaza uruho za skilling keyboard okuvuga motoka yanacenda ntwarayo ngacukwa
umwana uko kweza kufuna obukugu yasohora heri ishomero obukugu bwe cyakimanyisa naza kuyamba community.
Aha mukorogu bachira bejana n'abashatu kutende kumbye mikono ahabwa umwakogu ahabwa TV West ndi Stuart Twino Mujuni.